And action!
Time to watch Volcano by Tommy Lee Jones.
Hey, Tito, just woke up right there.
Where?
Look, right there, on the screen.
Oh, that's not scary, right?
Yes. Okay.
It says we'll have a hell of a time.
Okay.
I think it'd be a good movie, Aiden.
Okay, yes, me too. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Look, a February warning screen.
Whoa, is that scary?
Yes.
Whoa, attention.
Well, attention. Look.
Whoa. Jeez.
Let's play my movie.
I like volcanoes.
Yeah, me too.
Whoa.
He's trying to send to Fox home a 10 minutes ago. Look.
What the heck? Oh no! What the? Oh!
I told you, Lisa.